In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this complex mesh in seconds by using Edit Mesh Tools add-ons Multi-Extrude. We must activate the add-on first. Let's create a sphere. This add-on is hidden in the Edit tab, and that tab will only appear when we're using the Edit mode. I'll only cover Multi-Extrude today, so please explore other available tools that are super easy to use as well. Let's see what each setting does. Let's use individual origins and type S to scale. Then we can subdivide the mesh. This tool works with all other meshes in Blender. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.